morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Carmen. If it's your first time here, welcome. My channel is all about balcony gardening with succulents and cacti and houseplants in an apartment setting. Today I am going to show you how I protect my plants in Phoenix's winter. And I use air quotes there because obviously we have a very mild winter. Last night and tonight are the first frost freeze warnings that we have. In December, we usually get some more in January. And those are really the only times that I make an effort to protect my plants, my succulents that are out on the balcony from any frost damage. And when those warnings come up, I mean, they make the news, everybody knows about it, everybody gets their frost cloths out, and I'll show you a picture of those here. They're basically just a texture type paper that's very light but heavy enough to stay on a plant, and it protects them from the frost and the freeze of the night. I don't use those. I reuse old bed sheets that I've had for a while, and I use them every winter at the end of the season. I will take them inside, wash them, and put them away for the next winter. So I'm going to show you that here in just a moment, the setup, and show you how I take them down also. Now, some of the plants I do bring inside because I don't have enough space or whatever to cover them up, so I will bring them inside because they're very tender type of succulents, and I'll show you who those are in just a moment. Okay, but in the meantime, if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do, and also hit that like button because that helps me out so very much. So get your cup of coffee and we'll go outside to the balcony and uncover my plants. Okay, so let's go. Okay, before we go outside, I just want to show you my plants right here in front of the patio door. These three are the ones that I brought inside, my three hanging plants that I really want to protect. So I did not want to take the chance of just simply covering them. And these are hardy in zones 9 and 10 and 11, and they'll take down to about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So I did not want to take a chance of them, freezing out there. So I've got my Crest string of buttons, my cotyledon pendens, and my donkey's tail. Okay, so those are the three hanging ones that I brought inside and just set them here. I'm going to leave them in here for the next few nights until the overnight temperature gets up above 40, which is normal for us. Highs in the upper 60s, overnight temperatures in the low to mid 40s. And the succulents outside and these plants can handle that easily without any type of protection. Okay, so here is the setup that I have for covering up my plants. It's about 10 a.m. and I usually wait until then because the sun is starting to hit the patio. It's probably about 40, 45 degrees, somewhere in there, so it's safe for me to take them off. Now, this last night was the first frost warning that we've had. We're going to have another one tonight. We don't have them very often, so we do. It makes the news when we get a frost or freeze warning. So these are old sheets, bed sheets that I didn't use anymore, and I just keep them handy for the winter. At the end of the season, I wash them and put them away till next winter. I've covered my aloes. I didn't cover my cacti because those can take much lower temperatures than freezing. These are aloes and the Medusa, some of the other cacti and more aloes under there. And under here, my plumeria, sansevieras, and some echeverias over there. So let me go ahead and take these off. Okay, so now they are uncovered and ready to take some sun. The way the sun is right now, you know, they get very little, but what they do get is very much appreciated. So later tonight, probably about 9 o'clock or so, I'll come back out here and put the sheets back on. And I think tonight it will be the last frost, that warning that we have, but I'll check the weather and see what we are in store for. I know this is nothing compared to what the rest of the country is going through with the polar vortex coming through the Midwest, but I do get a lot of questions on how do I take care of my plants in the wintertime out here? Do I get any type of frost warnings? And so that's why I made this video, taking advantage of the fact that we do have a frost warning right now and what I do for my plants when that happens, and that's how I take care of them. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did. I appreciate that so very much. Rosie appreciates it so very much, and we will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day, friends. Bye bye now.